Hello, sir. How you doing today?
It's Dom. Sorry, Dom.
Hurry up already, Jesus Christ.
Alright, go.
So, are you the chauffeur for the night?
Hi.
Listen, tell Joey has to take off real slow because I don't
Listen,
know
you gotta tell me when you want me to stop. I can't hear them.
Pull your windows down then.
Yeah.
Driver number 2. All the way from Anderson Land. How you doing today?
I'm good.
Creeper! A.K.A. Vinny. How you doing?
Tell him to go slow because this rope might just break.
Okay.
Yo, Ben, you gotta get in the back.
That's what I'm doing. Hold on. Go! Put your feet up! Put your feet up, Vinny! Drive this way, asshole! Drive this way! Woo! We lost Vinny!
I saved your fucking life.
We lost the driver! Here he comes! I'm trying to get in that fucking snowbank over there.
Dude, I saved your life like 8 times. Oh my god. You were being a douchebag! Holy shit. I thought I was hitting that shopping cart. I was killed.
Yo, your rope. You gotta take your rope off.